The Great Galactic Void, what lies in the empty regions of space. The universe, vast and magnificent, stretches across billions of light years, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. Yet, amid this cosmic splendor lies something profoundly unsettling. The voids, These are enormous, nearly empty regions of space that span hundreds of millions of light years, containing almost nothing. One of the most mysterious among them is known as the Great Galactic Void, a region so vast and barren that it challenges everything we thought we knew about the structure of the cosmos. For decades, astronomers believed the universe was uniformly filled with galaxies, scattered like glitter across an endless black canvas. But in the late 20th century, new observations began to reveal something extraordinary. When scientists mapped the distribution of galaxies, they noticed a strange pattern. Instead of being evenly spread, galaxies seemed to cluster together in long filaments and sheets, creating a web-like structure. Between these glowing threads were colossal dark gaps, almost completely devoid of galaxies. These dark gaps became known as voids, and the largest of them, the Great Galactic Void, remains one of the universe's most haunting mysteries. The discovery of the void. The existence of the Great Galactic Void was first hinted at during extensive sky surveys in the 1980s. Using radio telescopes and deep space mapping technologies, astronomers traced the positions of thousands of galaxies. They expected a fairly uniform distribution, but were stunned to discover a massive, empty region stretching nearly 330 million light-years across. This enormous bubble of nothingness is located near the constellation Boötes, and it's often called the Boötes Void, a name that still evokes awe and curiosity. Inside this vast emptiness, only a few lonely galaxies drift like cosmic castaways. In fact, within a space that should contain over 2,000 galaxies, astronomers found barely 60. This eerie silence of space puzzled cosmologists. How could such a massive region exist with almost no matter? Was this a normal part of the universe's structure, or a clue to something far deeper? A cosmic puzzle. The formation of such a gigantic void defies simple explanation. The universe began as a nearly uniform sea of hydrogen and helium after the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Over time, tiny fluctuations in density caused gravity to pull matter together, forming stars, galaxies, and clusters. But what caused certain regions to become so extraordinarily empty? According to the cosmic web theory, matter in the universe is not spread evenly, but forms a vast network of filaments and voids. Gravity pulls matter toward the dense regions, the filaments, leaving behind large empty spaces. However, the Great Galactic Void is far larger and emptier than most voids predicted by simulations. Its size suggests that something unusual might have happened there, possibly involving dark matter, dark energy, or unknown cosmic forces that we do not yet understand. The role of dark matter. To understand voids, we must consider dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up about 27% of the universe. Dark matter doesn't emit light, yet it exerts gravitational pull, shaping galaxies and cosmic structures. Some scientists believe the Great Galactic Void may hold secrets about how dark matter behaves on large scales. Perhaps the region is not truly empty, but instead filled with diffuse dark matter, so thinly spread that we cannot detect it directly. If this is true, it would mean the void is not a total absence, but a subtle presence of unseen matter influencing the universe's evolution. Others speculate that the void's formation may indicate places where dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion, dominates. Maybe in these vast, empty spaces, dark energy exerts stronger influence, pushing galaxies apart faster and preventing new ones from forming. A window into the early universe. Interestingly, the Great Galactic Void may also offer a glimpse into the earliest moments of the cosmos. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, shows small irregularities that represent the seeds of today's galaxies and voids. Scientists have found that regions like the Boötes Void align with certain cold spots in the CMB, where radiation is slightly cooler than average. This suggests that voids could be ancient imprints of the early universe's fluctuations, giant scars left over from the primordial chaos after creation. Some even propose that the Great Galactic Void might be linked to exotic phenomena, such as cosmic inflation anomalies, or even interactions with other universes in a grand multiverse model. Could something be hidden there? While most evidence supports a natural cosmological explanation, the sheer size and emptiness of the void have fueled wild speculation. Could it conceal something more profound? Some fringe theories suggest the void could be a gateway to another dimension, or an area where the fabric of space-time is thinner, perhaps allowing gravitational leakage into parallel universes. Others propose that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations could have harvested or evacuated matter from the region for unknown purposes, creating an artificial emptiness. While such ideas remain purely speculative, they reflect humanity's deep curiosity about the unknown. The void's silence almost feels intentional, as if it guards secrets we are not yet ready to uncover. Galaxies in isolation. Even within the Great Galactic Void, a few galaxies do exist, cosmic islands adrift in the vast sea of nothingness. These void galaxies are some of the most isolated objects in the universe. Without neighboring galaxies to interact with, they evolve differently, slowly and quietly. Studying these lonely galaxies gives astronomers valuable insights into how isolation affects star formation and galactic structure. Some show signs of being unusually large or faint, perhaps due to the unique environmental conditions of the void. Others seem surprisingly normal, suggesting that even in the deepest cosmic desert, life, at least in the form of galaxies, finds a way to persist. The philosophical meaning of the void. Beyond science, the Great Galactic Void challenges our perception of existence itself. It forces us to confront the overwhelming scale of cosmic emptiness. For every shining galaxy, there are vast oceans of darkness, silent and uninhabited. In a way, the void mirrors the human experience, our search for meaning in a universe that seems indifferent. Yet, paradoxically, by studying the void, we learn more about the interconnectedness of all things. The void's very emptiness shapes the galaxies that surround it. Its silence defines the universe's structure, reminding us that even nothingness has purpose. The future of exploration. Modern telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and next-generation surveys are now peering deeper into these cosmic voids, measuring their temperature, density, and gravitational effects with unprecedented precision. Scientists hope that by mapping voids more accurately, we can better understand dark energy and the ultimate fate of the universe. If dark energy continues to dominate, the universe will keep expanding faster and faster. Over trillions of years, galaxies will drift farther apart until the cosmos becomes a vast, cold emptiness, one enormous void. Perhaps the Great Galactic Void is a preview of that distant future, showing us what the universe may one day become. Conclusion. The Great Galactic Void remains one of the most profound mysteries of modern cosmology. It is not just an empty space. It is a cosmic clue, a silent testament to forces beyond our comprehension. Within its darkness lies the story of how the universe formed, evolved, and perhaps how it will end. What lies in the empty regions of space? Maybe not nothing, but the essence of everything. The unseen structure, the unspoken order, and the infinite possibility that even in emptiness, the universe is alive with meaning.